Hey guys, this is the UIL 802 alarms. This is going to be fire alarm system test 45. Let's get started. So, pretty much the same as always. Add some little change in the system. As you can kind of see, I actually did some work here. Put some more conduit here to hide some of those wires. Go into the closet to the ATAs in there for the monitoring. We have the 10UD still, the MS10UD or the U-Mode 10UD. It's just the same as always, not very much different anyway. This cause mod is not being used at the moment. It's just there for looks. We have a Siemens DI3 smoke detector. We have a Simplex 49392, I think it's a 60 or 17, I don't remember, but it's a mechanical horn strobe. It's going to be doing code 3 by the panel. We have a Notifier BNG1 local alarm version. I had got a brand new key lock for this, the Notifier key, and it actually works, as well as a new switch for it. So yeah, there it is. I got this brand new box. This is a Simplex 4904 9105 remote strobe. There it is. It's I think it's 100. I don't know what fixed candela this is, but it's pretty bright. We have a Siemens UMCS-W remote strobe. The same heat detector as always. We have the Faraday pull still here. The 10123-1. We have the Edwards pulsation, the 270 SPO, and that's the And we still have the Simplex 2003 9101 strobe plates with the 9838 horn, and it's also going to be doing code 3 by the panel. And we have a system tester I3. Alright, so let's go and pull the 270 SPO. Come on, man. Kind of see the flashing. It's a frame per second, but it's flashing. We'll silence that. We got a zone 4 alarm. You can see that. So there it is. Audible silence, 4-wire, audible silence. There's the strobe. Siemens strobe. There's that. That's the 2003 strobe. You can probably see it flashing there. It's just a frame per second on this camera. It's a little too slow. Oh, there you can see it now. Pulse reset. Actually, no, let's reset from the outsider. Alright, so this needs a special tool, so I'll have to go get that. Alright, let's pull the Faraday pull. We'll silence that. We'll reset this here. Oh, 1 second, it takes 2 hands to okay, let's reset. takes 2 hands to reset this with the nut bolt. Over in there. There it is. Because the original key on this thing was broken, the plastic lock key, the triangle key that they use for these type of pull stations, it broke, so. And we'll just reset from the nuts here again. Alright, so we'll do one more device and then we'll put it to March time, because mechanical horns are cool with March time. So, here's the DI3. There it goes. Balance that. There's the 103 9216 strobe, I think. Horn strobe. I don't remember, but pretty bright too. There's the 504 nut strobe. Also pretty bright. And okay, there's the alarm. We'll just have to clear this. And you can see it's an alarm. That's how it is, an alarm. And reset from the panel. I also disabled the dialer because, you know, there's a limit with the report, and I guess it locks out from the, you know, from the Protostar Discord server. It actually locks out if it was too much. It's in a runaway state. It will actually lock out. That's why I disabled the dialer. But you know how that works. Okay, let's test the Notifier pull station, the local alarm one. There's the Notifier. All right. This thing's hard. This thing's incredibly hard to pull, but actually, no. Let's put the panel. Let's put the horn strobes in March time. We'll do that right now. All right, we're gonna put the horn strobes in March time, like I said before. So we'll just March time. All right, now let's test the Notify pull station, the local alarm pull. So here we go. So that's it from there. And we'll go ahead and reset our pull station. There it is. We'll reset from the panel. And now we're going to test the i3. Now, probably magnet test the heat detector, because I don't have the heat gun today. Reset. All right, let's test the i3. Here's the i3. So we're going to test it. Here we go. There it goes. We'll silence that. We'll let that clear out for a little bit. Actually, I'll just clear with this. As you can see, it's an alarm at zone 5. See right here? And I'm going to reset from the notifier. Alright, so now we're going to do the heat detector. I think I'm going to magnet test it, so because again, like I said before, I don't have the hair dryer or heat gun, so it should be activated pretty fast with the magnet, so should take no problem. So here we go. Silence that. Alright, and actually we'll just reset from the notifier. So there it is, zone 3. Restroom heat or pool station. Clear the heat detectors, which just activated it. There it is. And now I'm going to reset from the notifier. Alright guys, that should be it. That is going to be it for Fire License Test 45. Yeah, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Please join my Discord server, being the link down in the description below. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.